What's going on YouTube? Tap back again with another video. In today's video, I'm doing a follow-up on the Panel app. And this Panel app is I guess it's a cashback app, but it really isn't. Basically, this app, you just have this app on your phone and you collect points daily. These points you can redeem for gift cards or enter sweepstakes. And you also share your link with other people with Panel app, you get points that way. So I have made 4,266 points with the Panel app. And I can redeem this, hit the redeem button. And you see here, these points can go to all these sweepstakes if I wanted them to. Now these are okay, but you want guaranteed money. 4,000 points will give me a $2 gift card to Amazon, which I can redeem. 10,000 points give me $5. And you see here, I get $25 Amazon gift card guaranteed prize if I have 20,000 points. So let me see something here. So I can continue and I can also go ahead and get this if I want to. So here's the sweepstakes here. You could choose one of these as well to enter. And here's the guaranteed points. This is all guaranteed. So right now I can get a $2 gift card to Amazon. Not a lot of money, but I didn't do nothing with this app. All I did was install my phone, make an account, and have it on my phone. You get points every day. So you got the activity here. You do surveys as well. I didn't do any surveys. Nothing from referrals. I just keep it on my phone and get points. All right. So I don't do anything like that. Go to referrals here. I have no referrals neither. So if you like to use my referral link, I'm not sure what bonus you get. I'm pretty sure you do get a bonus with my referral link. But if you're going to use my referral link, I have a link below the video as well. But this is not an app just to, I'm not even sure. I mean, yeah, the $2 gift card for Amazon is okay. This is completely passive. I'm not even sure how you do the surveys because no new surveys. So you gotta do surveys when they come about. So there's no surveys right now on surveys. So I can't do a survey I wanted to. So you gotta do surveys when they come out. So once the surveys and the app will prompt you on your phone to do the survey. So I guess there are time limits. I'm not too sure because I don't really use this app at all. I never open it up. So yeah, that's it for the Panel app. And again, I will just use this for little build up. I had this for about 6 months now, and the $5 gift cards is nice. The $2 one is not bad neither. It's $2. I mean, it's not a lot of money, but if you have this app on your phone for a while, you start getting points. So that's it for my review of the Panel app. It's very simple. You install it on your phone, and that's it. If you want to use this app, I say go ahead, go for it, because you might do the surveys and you get more points. And it's a free gift card. It's free gift cards. And if you buy Amazon on a regular basis, it won't be a bad idea. I have a link below this video how to get the Panel app. Thanks for watching my video. I'll see you next time.